So we've done question 1 and 2 on the board. Question 3 and 4, the trick is always just to look for something that we can, look for things that we can prove are the same, and then once you've got everything that you can prove is the same, look for a congruent proof that suits that. So straight up I looked at YZ, I've got a value for YZ, that looks the same as the side PQ. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with what I've done? Yep, it should be QPY. Because Y has the angle 60, which is the same as where Q is.
So isn't it QR?
It is QR. No, it's QP.
Oh, yeah.
QP. I think you're one step in front of me though. What's the next one, Joe? QR, very good, because R represents there by 8 centimetres. X represents the side R. The angle XYZ represents RYP. Oh no, Y. RQP. Sorry, RQP. So then now, do I have a proof? Do I have a proof that works? What's my proof? Side, angle, side. This is the one you need to be careful of. Because this is the one where you might have enough information to think that you've got a proof, but you haven't. What do we need to watch for? We need to make sure that our angle is the same, and where must it be? It must be between our two known sides. Cool? And we prove congruence. We show congruence with that equal sign and the squiggle that I stuffed up before. Sweet? 4, triangle 4. First line of working, thanks. Pat, AB is equivalent to? You don't need to be.
AB is equivalent to FE.
Very good.
Yeah, AB and do CB.
You can do CB first if you like. CB is equivalent to, let's go, Sophie. DE. Very good. And that would mean angle ABC is equivalent to angle FD. No, FED. No, FDE, sorry. FDE. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. U2, what proof? RHS. Now, there are some conventions here that we need to be aware of, because a lot of these problems won't come like this. They won't come with lengths and angles. They'll come with this. And instead of giving you an angle, it'll just say, give you a dot in the middle. Why? It's okay. Don't have to give you length. So then, the justification still works. What I've got there still applies. It's just about being able to interpret those values, yes?
Why would they put 2 dashes in those for 1 dash?
Why would they put, that's a good question, Nick. Why would they need to put 2 dashes there instead of 1 dash? What would happen if they put 1 dash down? That would mean that all the sides are the same, but I'm just trying to say that this length is the same as that length. This length is the same as that length.
Oh.
If I had 1 dash, then all the sides would be the same. Cool? That's fine. So, just reminding us about some of these conventions. If I've got arrows on lines, what does that mean?
They're adjacent.
Parallel. Parallel lines are like vegetarians. Why?
They don't meet.
They never meet. That one doesn't get you laughing, I know it will. That, the 2 lines, means equal length. And the bottom one means equal angle, correct?
Yep.
We don't need to change anything about the way that we justify those congruent proofs. Happy with that? Let's move on to the Google Classroom to do our questions on the textbook. Let's go.
Okay, so isn't it easier when it's like that? Just make it
Yeah, just push them around, yeah.
So why is there little lines across the